Hello everyone, welcome to my channel The Orange Workflow. In today's video, we'll understand the class 10th CBSE NLP chapter, right? So basically ये two parts में divided है video. So first part में start करते हैं with the topic NLP. उससे पहले आप screen पर देख सकते हैं this is the CBSE curriculum of AI of NLP chapter, right? So these all topics we will be covering. So let's quickly start with the introduction to NLP. NLP क्या है? It is a branch of AI. It helps machines to understand and use human language. NLP दो चीज़ें प्रोसेस करता है, एक टेक्स्ट और एक स्पीच, राइट? फिर कुछ एप्लीकेशंस हैं NLP की, क्या क्या? वॉइस असिस्टेंट जो हम यूज़ करते हैं, गूगल असिस्टेंट, एलेक्सा, सीरी, गूगल ट्रांसलेटर, स्पैम ईमेल डिटेक्शन और ऑटो कैप्शंस. ठीक है, अब स्पैम ईमेल डिटेक्शन मतलब अगर कोई मेल हमारे पास आ रहा है तो ऑटोमेटिकली डिटेक्ट हो जाए कि वो स्पैम है या नॉट स्पैम है. ऑटो कैप्शंस कहते हैं जैसे सपोज आप यूट्यूब पर ही वीडियोस देखते हो, राइट? तो अगर आप CC ऑटो कैप्शंस ऑन कर लेते हो तो यूट्यूब क्या करता है, जो हमारी वॉइस है उसको टेक्स्ट में कन्वर्ट कर देता है, तो ऑटो कैप्शंस. नेक्स्ट इज ऑटोमेटिक टेक्स्ट समराइजेशन. दिस इज द एप्लीकेशन ऑफ NLP. नेक्स्ट है सेंटिमेंट एंड इमोशन एनालिसिस. नेक्स्ट टेक्स्ट क्लासिफिकेशन. नेक्स्ट कीवर्ड एक्सट्रैक्शन. ये सारी की सारी क्या है, ये NLP नेचुरल लैंग्वेज प्रोसेसिंग की हमारी एप्लीकेशंस हैं. ठीक है, अब हमारी कुछ स्टेजेस होती हैं NLP की. दिस इज़ द वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक based on class 10th CBSE class 10 syllabus. First stage of NLP is lexical analysis. Second, syntactic analysis. Third, semantic. Fourth, discourse integration. And fifth, pragmatic analysis. Now let's understand all of these one by one. The very first is lexical analysis. So lexical means कि जो text है that will be broken down into tokens or chunks, right? So suppose the text is NLP is very interesting. This is the example. NLP is very interesting. So it will be broken down into chunks or tokens, that is NLP is very interesting, and exclamation is also segregated, right? So this all happens in lexical analysis. Next comes syntactic analysis. Syntactic means syntax. Syntax means grammar. Grammar should be correct. So in the sentence, the cat eats fish, right? So this is grammatically correct, but if it is so, cat the fish eats. So obviously this sentence is grammatically incorrect. So when NLP understands that the syntax is wrong, grammar is wrong, so this thing is syntactic analysis. Next, semantic analysis. Semantic means meaning. If the grammar is correct, then meaning of the sentence should also be correct. Like for example, the dog barked at the stranger. So in this sentence, semantic analysis will understand that the dog is an animal, barked is a sound made by the dog, and stranger is somebody, the unknown person, right? So not only the grammar, it will understand the actual meaning. Now next comes semantic analysis. Semantic analysis, like for example in these two sentences, he sat on the bank of the river, she went to the bank to deposit money. Now the same words are there, bank means similar words, but they have different meanings. Right? So in the first sentence, bank is the riverside. In the second sentence, bank is the financial institution. So this is called word sense disambiguation, right? So this is the next step. Next is discourse integration. Discourse integration means linking a sentence with earlier sentences to understand the full meaning. Example, Ria bought a new laptop. It's very expensive. So here it refers to laptop, means when there are multiple sentences and when the words like he, she, it, they are used. So because of discourse integration, NLP understands that what is the meaning of that particular word. Fine. Next, you can see in this slide that all the levels are mentioned with their functions. Like first one is lexical, it breaks text into the words. Syntactic, it checks the grammar. Semantic, it understands the meaning. Pragmatic, it understands the intention. Discourse integration, connects sentences for full context, right? Now the next topic is chatbot. Chatbots, also known as chat robot, conversational agent. Chatbot is a software application that can talk to users and understand their questions automatically. Now, what are the different functions that a chatbot can do? It communicates with users through text or voice. It understands human language using NLP. It provides instant replies and support. I hope that most of you have already used chatbot multiple times, right? So just go through these points. Available 24/7 without human help, can answer FAQ and solve common problems, improve customer service speed, learn and improve using AI and smart chatbots. Now, there are different examples of chatbots like Alexa, Siri, Google Assistant, and ChatGPT, Gemini also, right? Now, there are two types of chatbot, script bot and another one is smart bot. Script bot is rule based bot and smart bot is AI based bot. Script bot works on rules, smart bot uses AI and NLP. Script bot is keyword based, whereas smart bot understands language. Script bot fixed responses will be there in scriptbot, whereas in smartbot human like responses will be there. There is no learning ability in the scriptbot. Whatever is decided, that is fixed. Then smartbot has the learning ability, it learns from the data. Scriptbot, limited conversation can be there, and smartbot handles complex queries. Example of scriptbot is FAQ bot, right? Smartbot example is ChatGPT, Alexa, Gemini. These are there, fine. So I have completed the first part of the video. Do watch the next part as well, because that part has the most important questions that will come in CBSE class 10th AI exam. So wish you all the very best. Thanks for watching.